Could you believe that Airbus has a rat on board? Yes, aviators, they do have a rat on board, but not the one you thought about. So let's find out, what is the real rat? Very warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Pilot Amire, and I will be your captain for this flight today. RAT is an abbreviation for Ram Air Turbine, which is the heart of an aircraft emergency power system. But before we talk about it, let's find out from where we get the electricity on the airplane. We get the electricity from different resources, which are engine-driven generators, which driven by each main engine through an integrated drive generator, or from the APU generator, auxiliary power unit, or external ground power during ground operation only. Imagine we lost these electrical sources during the flight. What will happen? Yes, let's light a candle and make it a romantic flight. Wrong. Now it's time for RAT. Within 8 seconds, it deploys automatically, and trust me, the 8 seconds for a pilot feels like 8 hours. Ram Air Turbine deployed from the airplane fuselage, or the wing, depends on the airplane design. So once the RAT deploys, it starts to operate using the airstream, as the RAT consists of fan that rotates with airstream. And as you ever saw the windmilling generators that generate electricity, the RAT is an Airbus. They power the blue hydraulic system, which drive the emergency generator by means of hydraulic motor. This will supply the essential electricity network inside the airplane. But can this really happen? Yes, it can, and that precisely is what happened with US Airways. Flight 1549 was an Airbus 320 in the climb out after takeoff from LaGuardia Airport in New York. A flock of Canada geese struck the airplane and consequently lost all engine power. The direct hit in the two engines. The engines weren't able to drive the electrical generators anymore. Fortunately, the RAT deployed, and during the 8 seconds deployment, the plane batteries were powering the emergency generation network. During that, some cabin lights and the entertainment system wasn't available. The RAT deployed automatically and powered the essential electrical network, which is critical to operate the equipment needed to fly the airplane. Besides that, we also need the hydraulic power to move some flight control surfaces, and this is granted by hydraulic pump coupled with RAT. This allows the blue hydraulic system to function because we already lost the two main hydraulic systems, which are called green and yellow. Now, the captain can land the airplane safely to the nearest suitable airport. In normal operations, the RAM is installed inside the fuselage, or the wings, depend on the airplane design. For example, Airbus 320, which I fly, the RAT will be in the fuselage in the belly section. Once the RAT deploys, the fan rotates to extract sufficient power from the airstream to control the aircraft. Can we operate the RAT manually on ground? The answer is yes, simply by pressing a guarded push button on the emergency electrical power panel, or RAT manual guarded push button on the hydraulic panel. And the question is, why both of them are guarded? Because if you push it, the RAT deploys and will never get back in the same position unless the maintenance team brings it back on the ground. So pilots, don't try to push it, especially if you are on ground, because it will deploy and may hit someone, and you don't wanna waste your time in jail. My aviators, believe me, airplanes are designed in redundancy concept. That means there's always backup for everything. Dear aviators, leave in the comments below your thoughts and ideas about the topics you want me to discuss next time. And as always, we speak aviation.